Here we go. Let's do some videos on crypto. Wave USD. Check this one out. Going back to 2017, it's at 11 cents. Started to make its move onward on the board. 721.35. Look at that huge spike. And then it goes to 317. Fades back now. 2018, 19, 20. Starts to come up late 2020. Now in here there are some good moves. 92 cents, 355, 54 to 150 is very good. And then look at this move. You have 207 at low from here, and it goes to 39.66. Pull back to here. Look at this 63 move, and then right after that, look at that. It just matched the red candle. That's absolutely insane. And then along we go. That's where we're at now. 125.38. You see 2 to 5, 76 to 282. 89 to 116, so that's the low recently, and that's a nice little move up. 21% on the month. You look at the mountaintop here, money flow, RSI. Look at CCI, 300, that is big. Now the recent low here, look at CCI, the color, very deep. So was here in July 23, and look what you have now. Money flow is extremely deep here, and you buy when it's very low, so we'll see what happens with this. 1108. And you can see RSI is sort of flat sideways. Let's go to the weekly. See, weekly 5 years. 5 years. Wow, look at that move. Once you see that wick, 35.61, look at it go down, 7.57. And look on the weekly. This is a beautiful setup, that money flow. Now, I noticed on crypto, money flow lows are better than sometimes in regular stocks. Money flow in regular stocks like this, it doesn't work necessarily that good. And CCI works very well. RSI not as good. Now this went down, but wasn't as deep. So I really like CCI. Stochastics is good. It says money flow here. So look at that, the 63. I mean, you're talking a rip. You went sideways and ripped long, then a big short. Then look at that, sideways, all sideways. You have very small moves back and forth. And where we're at now is that low coming up from here. It's getting higher. Look at the low here and here. Daily chart. 6 months. All right, so 116, 190. March, you can see April is good, 91 to 156. 89 cents to 145. Look at that spike up. Big volume here too. Well, 303,000 on this chart's big. And then you're climbing a lot on money flow, stochastics. And where we're at now, 117. You want this to get over eventually 135, 140. Let's get back to the monthly. All right, the 3-year monthly, so 23 went down, little move sideways, went up, back down, went to 282. Now, draw your line right here. Could be out now because that high, we're crossing down, and this is trying to break out. The 764 on the monthly money flow right here. You want this to break above that 120, 150, that would be key, and then start to work its way up. And I'd like to see about 475.5 on Wave. So we'll see how this one plays out too. A lot of them are bottoming. They're making that move. See the bottom, then they come up, bottom, then come up. And we'll see if this one's making another move up here.